Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm AULIA Melina. I'm gonna tell you about one of the model in teaching and learning. It is contextual teaching and learning. So, let's start from the definition. What is contextual teaching and learning? Contextual teaching and learning is a conception or an approach of teaching and learning that helps you relate the content of your material to real-world situation. It means you make a related material that appear on your textbook with your students' real world. For example, you're going to teach about vocabulary of transportation. So, you can add or include another example of the vocabulary, which is the example is related to your students' real world. Next, the steps. There are 3 steps in contextual teaching and learning. First step is exploration. In these steps, teacher introduces to the students topic at the day. It means you introduce to your students what they're going to learn at the day. For example, you're going to teach about announcement. So, you can say to your students, okay students, today we're going to learn about announcement. And you as a teacher can show an example of announcement to your students. Is it the example of exploration? And next is elaboration. I also call this step as a Q&A session. In this step, teacher and students have a discussion of the material at the day. So, you as a teacher discuss the material with your students. And remember, you not just explain the material by yourself, but let your students say their knowledge or their comprehension about the material at the day. For example, topic at the day is announcement, and you explain everything about announcement and discuss it with your students. The last steps in contextual teaching and learning is confirmation. In these steps, teacher give a feedback to the students. You as a teacher give a feedback to your students. Like you can give your students a text or an assignment. Is it like you ask your students to make an announcement. You ask your students to make an announcement. So you can check their comprehension of the material at the day. And the last is focus of this model. Focus of contextual teaching and learning is in the real context of the material, the real context that relates to your students' real work. So, I think that's it for my explanation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.